Greetings folks, in this short video we'll tell you the added benefits on a 2.0 when compared to that of a 1.5 ATA hyperbaric chamber. So there are 7 to 8 benefits that are far greater on a 2.0 than compared to when compared to the 1.5. The first one is the greater oxygen molecule compression. As you know, with the ideal gas law, the greater the pressure, the higher the absorption or compression of oxygen molecules, and that in turn will increase the molecule compression, in turn passing through the body, increasing the availability of oxygen, which is basically the oxygen concentration. The higher pressure at 2.0 enables more oxygen to dissolve directly into the blood plasma, and that is beyond the capacity of the hemoglobin. Greater angiogenesis. With angiogenesis, the formation of new blood vessel, it has been shown in clinical research that when you increase the pressure, you have a far greater probability on a 2.0 with angiogenesis than that of from a 1.5. Anti-inflammatory effect. The higher level of 2.0 have shown to have stronger anti-inflammatory effect when you compare that with a 1.5 ATA chamber. Stem cell proliferation. We all know that the clinical studies shown to proliferate these stem cells, it has been shown to be far greater on a 2.0 ATA machines. Next is the enhanced antimicrobial effect. The anaerobic bacteria, they have a far difficult time to sustain themselves on a 2.0 when compared to a 1.5 hyperbaric chamber. Improved collagen synthesis. As you know, the connective tissue, the component between the connective tissues, the collagen, has a far greater probability of formation, collagen formation, that is, with a 2.0 when compared to, again, on a 1.5. Next, and the last one, is the neuroprotection. For neurological conditions such as TBI, higher oxygen levels at 2.0 provide greater neuroprotection by reducing the oxidative stress and improving the mitochondrial function in brain cells. So let's do a recap. Here are the benefits. Greater benefits on a 2.0 than on a 1.5 or lower than 2.0. Greater oxygen molecule compression and dissolution in blood plasma beyond the capacity of hemoglobin. Higher oxygen concentration in tissues. Increased angiogenesis and improved blood flow. Enhanced anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial effect for anaerobic bacteria. Greater stimulation of stem cell proliferation or activities. Improved collagen synthesis for tissue repair. And last is the enhanced neuroprotective effects, particularly relevant to TBI. Now we will show you the 2.0 models that we have available. The one behind me is the 2.0 single monoplace chamber with variable pressure control from 1.3 to all the way to 2.0. Then we have the control mechanism, that anything that you can control from here into this internal control mechanism that is there, and that is an incredible feature. Anything that you can do from outside, you should be able to do that from inside as well. Next, we have the multi-place luxury model, and that is right here. If you take a look through the inside, it has pretty luxurious features with TVs, air conditioner, and multi-person configuration, and these are custom configurable model. Then we have the 40-inch, and that is a pretty comfortable model in terms of room, interior room, that is. So clinics that do have the wide enough door, you would be able to accommodate one of these machines for greater comfort. Once again, you have the touchscreen, the extended touchscreen, and the miniature version of the touchscreen. It also offers the rest of the features such as the AC and multiple oxygen concentrators, and so on and so forth. Any further question about these 2.0 models, do reach out to us and we are here to assist you. Thank you.